Yeah!
All right!
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles! Turtles count it all! Turtles!
Welcome back. What is the matter, my sons?
Master, we have to shred the shredder!
We can't let him go on doing whatever he pleases, hurting innocent people.
Whoa, what's going on, guys?
Yeah, you're all as red as boiled turtles. Or is it lobsters that turn red?
We're the ones who'll do the boiling. We'll boil Shredder, armor and all! Master, please allow us to battle Shredder. He has no honor.
I see. Even you are blinded by anger, Leonardo. This simply will not do. Let me warn you of one thing. Right now, none of you are fit to defeat Shredder.
Master, we had our guard down last time. This time, we won't lose.
There's no way we can lose.
You all are lacking something. Until you realize what it is that you lack, you have no chance at all.
Something lacking? But what? A cape and tights? Maybe not.
It seems you are in need of training. I have something to teach you. Follow me.
Huh? Boom!
You're only embarrassing yourselves.
You guys call yourselves ninja? I just hope Master Splinter doesn't hear about this. Eat feet!
Go now, my sons. You have made it through this training. I believe you now know what it is that you lacked.
Yes, Master. The thing that we lacked was superpowers! A serene heart and trust in each other.
We're turtles, after all. If we four work together,
We kick butt! Right, Master?
Yes, you have all learned well. Having now gained serenity of heart, grasped the essence of ninjutsu, you are now prepared to face Shredder. And now I shall tell you of the ties that bind Shredder to myself. Shredder is the sworn enemy of my ever-beloved teacher, Hamato Yoshi. His true identity is Orokosaki, a master ninja. It is fated that he and I must battle someday.
and that time is now.
Yes, my sons, we must defeat Shredder and avenge my master Yoshi.
Cowabunga!
Hold it right there! Take me with you!
Mr. Jones, this battle will most likely exceed any previous in the extent of danger it holds. Please, leave this to my sons.
No! That's not gonna happen! I got a bone to pick with those guys, too!
Yeah, now I remember. Master, please let him come with us.
Raph, what are you saying? Leo's right. Casey's a good-looking guy, but he may not be Shredder's type.
Casey, I want to do something to help too, but...
Stop, April. You don't understand. I got an old score to settle with the Foot. And if I pass this up, I'll never forgive myself. I owe it to my dad.
I understand, Mr. Jones. Please lend your aid to my sons.
Now you're talking. Let's do it, guys.
Yeah!
Master Shredder, some suspicious characters have... the turtles. So they are still alive. Hun, bring me that lying stockman. I'm afraid he hasn't been seen for days. Just what is that man plotting? No mind. Hun, do you understand what I need you to do? Yes, sir. I'll do it immediately. I have quite a prize for you if you manage to get this far.
It's him. He's the one I'm after. He's the one who burned my father's shop. I'm sure of it.
How many times do you fools intend to oppose, Shredder?
What's this? Don't we know that pathetic blob?
It's Frankenstein.
Wrong, you idiot. He's the sumo grand champion, isn't he?
Either way, he doesn't seem to be very good at handling his temper.
Ha! You won't even be the least little bother to Master Shredder.
Aw, now he's angry. It's all your fault, Raph.
What? You're the one who called him Bigfoot, remember? Either way, I won't let him get away with what he's done.
Right. And after all, he'll get us if we don't get him first. Ninja Oh yeah! Boom, baby! Oh yeah! Yeah! Boom! Boom, baby! Eat feet, eat feet, eat feet, eat feet, eat feet, eat feet! Oh yeah! Ninja Turtle! Ninja Turtle! Look out! Yeah! Yeah! feet, eat feet, eat feet, eat feet. Eat feet, eat feet, eat feet, eat feet. Boom, baby. Look out. Yeah. Boom, baby. Eat feet, eat feet, eat feet, eat feet. Boom, baby. Boom. Yeah! Meet a turtle. Eat feet, eat feet. Oh yeah! Boom, baby! Boom, baby! Boom, baby! Boom, baby! Look out! Boom, baby! Boom, baby! Yeah! Oh yeah! All right! Boom! Boom, baby! Ooh, that's gotta hurt. Cowabunga! Yeah! Boom, baby! Cowabunga! Oh yeah! Oh, boom, baby! Oh yeah! Boom, baby! Boom, baby! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Eat feet, eat feet, eat feet, eat feet, eat feet, eat feet. Boom! Meet a turtle. Meet a turtle. Yeah! Oh yeah! Alright! Boom, baby! Need it to yeah! Eat feet, eat feet, eat feet, eat feet, eat feet, eat feet! Yeah! Ooh, that's gotta hurt. Shell sweep! Cowabunga! Eat feet! Boom! 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 Look out! Boom, baby! Boom, baby! Oh yeah! Look out! Yeah! Eat feet, eat feet! Yeah! Eat feet, eat feet, eat feet, eat feet! Eat feet!
Unidentified persons have been detected within the research facility. All security personnel are requested to proceed with immediate removal. Unidentified persons have been detected within the research facility. All security personnel are requested to proceed with immediate removal. Unidentified persons have been detected within the research facility. All security personnel are requested to proceed with immediate removal. Unidentified persons have been detected within the research facility. All security personnel are requested to proceed with immediate removal. Unidentified persons have been detected within the research facility. All security personnel are requested to proceed with immediate removal. Unidentified persons have been detected within the research facility. All security personnel are requested to proceed with immediate removal. Unidentified persons have been detected within the research facility. All security personnel are requested to proceed with immediate removal.
Oh yeah!
Unidentified persons have been detected within the research facility. All security personnel are requested to proceed with immediate removal.
Oh yeah! Yeah!
Unidentified persons have been detected within the research facility. All security personnel are requested to proceed with immediate removal.
Boom, baby! Look out!
Unidentified persons have been detected within the research facility. All security personnel are requested to proceed with immediate removal. Unidentified persons have been detected within the research facility. All security personnel are requested to proceed with immediate removal. Danger. Toxic gas contamination possible. Danger. Toxic gas contamination possible.
Need a turtle!
All personnel within the facility should evacuate immediately. Due to a control system error, Experiment Omega has become unstable.
Boom, baby! Need a turtle! Need a turtle! Need a turtle! Oh yeah! Yeah! Look out! Cowabunga! Mycosaurus? That's got a Mycosaurus Rex!
Emergency. Experiment Omega is completely out of control.
Oh yeah! Yeah! Look out! Boom, baby! Look out! Yeah! Yeah! Eat thee, eat thee, eat thee, eat! Boom! Look out! Yeah! Boom, baby! Look out! Eat thee, eat thee, eat thee, eat thee! Boom, baby! Oh yeah! All right! Boom!
Intruder alert. trespassers have been detected by the security system. Removal mode has been activated.
Boom, baby! All right! Look out! Yeah! Eat feet, eat feet, eat feet, eat feet, eat feet! Boom! Eat feet, eat feet, eat feet! Look out! Boom! Need it, sir!
Caution. The door to the giant Mouser arsenal will now be opened. All personnel proceed with caution.
Shell sweep! Yeah! Boom, baby! Yeah! Boom, baby! Yeah! Yeah! Boom, baby! Look out! Need it, sir! Boom, baby! Yeah! Cowabunga! Shell sweep! Yeah! Look out! Oh yeah!
Caution. Security level has been increased to forcible removal mode. The giant Mouser has been activated.
Eat feet, eat feet, eat feet!
Caution. The giant Mouser hatch will now be opened. All personnel within the dynamic test area proceed with extreme caution.
Booyah! Ow! 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 Booyah! Mycosaurus Rex! Mycosaurus Rex! Boom, baby! Ninja Turtle! Look out! Oh yeah! Eat feet! Oh yeah! 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 Eat feet! Boom! Boom, baby! Eat feet! Oh yeah! Yeah! Ninja Turtle! Need it! Yeah! Eat feet! Eat feet! Eat feet! All right! Look out! Boom, baby! Eat feet! Eat feet! Look out! Eat feet! Eat feet! Ninja Turtle! Shell Sweet!
Who'd have thought that this many Melsa robots were still hidden away?
This many of them could make quick work of our new home, too.
Let's blow this thing up, Donatello. Can you do... Blow it up? But... Oh, fine. Let's see. This here is... So this must be... Yeah. That machine is a tremendous source of energy. So if we could just trigger it to...
All right, take this!
Not yet, Raphael!
Whoa!
I told you I didn't have the security system down yet. We've got a very sophisticated lock on it.
Could have told us sooner.
So what do? Any of you guys bring a bomb along?
You know he wouldn't carry anything that dangerous around. Nothing but these environmentally friendly nunchucks for me.
Hey, guys!
April!
What are you doing here? It's too dangerous.
He's right. You won't find any gentlemen down here.
I'm sorry, but I wanted to help you all out. Let me handle this.
No way. That security code was so complex.
There. I think that should do it. Now, guys!
Alert. An error has occurred with the main power control unit. The system has Emergency. An error has occurred with the main power control unit. The cooling system has failed in the cross line. The temperature inside the main power unit has risen to abnormal levels. Danger. The temperature in the main power unit has now exceeded the recommended safety level. All personnel are required to... Danger. All personnel must evacuate to the safety zone immediately. System shutdown now commencing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Sorry!
2,
Booyah!
1.
Booyah! Sorry!
Goodbye.
Booyah! Sorry! Look out! Eat feet, eat feet, eat feet, eat feet! Yeah! Oh yeah! Boom, baby! Mega turtle! Oh yeah! Mycosaurus Rex! Sorry!
April, go find yourself a safe place and don't move from it.
That's right. If anything should happen to us, someone has to stick around to build heroic statues in our honor.
And to take care of Master Splinter when he goes senile. But he's pretty much there already.
We shouldn't leave April alone, and it's not safe to bring her with us. I'll stay with you. That is, if you guys don't mind.
Cool.
No problem.
Roger.
Yeah!
Thank you, Casey.
It's nothing.
I hate to interrupt you two lovebirds, but
We've got to be going. So you two enjoy yourselves.
Be careful.
Boom, baby! Boom! Oh yeah! Boom! Oh, look out! Need it! Boom, baby! Boom, baby! Look out! Oh yeah! Boom! Yeah! Eat feet, eat feet! Eat feet, eat! Eat feet! Eat feet, eat feet, eat feet! Boom, baby! Boom! Boom, baby! Boom, baby! Eat! Eat! Need it! Need it, turtle! Oh yeah! Boom! Boom, Boom, baby! Boom! Oh yeah! Boom, baby! Boom, baby! Ooh, that's gotta hurt. Cow. Yeah, boom, baby! Sorry!
I thought perhaps you had gone into hibernation.
You've got no sense of humor. But the armor's cool.
So, you made it this far. To be honest, I'm surprised you had the ability to get here.
You're not the same turtles you fought before.
Listen to me. I have a proposal for you. Work for me. I can certainly make it worth your while. No way.
We're elite turtles. Best in our field. Never work for the likes of you.
Fine. Just freaks after all. Here's what we go us enemies. But you will not be in this place.
We're not the turtles you remember. And we came here this time to defeat you. See what you think of our turtle power now.
All right!